I need some brand new GPU chip for my HP ProBook. This is the schematic for it. I just printed it out. It's going to tell me how to solder some capacitors, resistors, crystals. Right here. GPU. So also the video RAM, DRAM, which is right here. I'm gonna be soldering that one too. I don't know, you can see it, VRAM. And the other one, let's see, was it VGA? There we go, right here. VGA reset. So consider PCI. Bought this thing in China, somewhere in China. So if you would like to see me solder with a butane torch, I'm gonna be soldering with this, so I don't have to be worrying about using electricity, paying too much electricity bill. Oh yeah, I'm gonna plan it out, and see what day is available for me to start doing this process. So this is a AMD GPU. I don't know if you can see it. I think you can't really see it because I can't really see it on my camera. So yeah, after that I'm gonna be like doing the other stuff too for the WWAN, the WAN. I'm gonna be doing this one. I'm gonna be soldering some. I don't know what's the actual name for it. It just says PR something. I don't know what that stands for yet. I'm gonna look through it. Let me check through the schematic. PR. Say the PR. I only see something like resistors, capacitors. SIM. That's a SIM for this. Yeah. Alright.